to the video. Here I am. Here I am. Here I am. Here I am. Oh, let me get my candy. He ate my extra candy. I had one more here. This is a king size. He ate it. Look at this.
No one. Only extra pickles. No one. No pickle. No pickle.
See, that's what I be talking
After you, Daddy. After you, Daddy.
That's why you don't buy candy. Because if you save it, someone's going to eat it.
After you.
And then you're going to get really angry.
Ice cream.
That's a life-changing story.
What's about to give me another?
Always buy extra and keep yours hidden. Keep it hidden.
Daddy, give me some more.
Keep it hidden.
Give me some more. And see what I